Lesson 2.12, length. What problems? Involving meters and centimeters. The warm-up. 6 students measured the distance they can jump. As you can see in the chart right here, length of their jumps. 180 centimeter, Nat 160, Floyd 180 centimeter, 1 meter 80 centimeter, Bella 1 meter 80 centimeter, Fern 180 centimeter, Pat 220 centimeters. They have recorded their results. So what was the shortest jump recorded? The shortest jump recorded is 160. 160. So how can you write 160 in meters and centimeters? That would be 1 meter, 60 centimeter. Now, the next question, which student recorded a jump of 180 centimeters? We have a whole lot of them that recorded 180 centimeters. We have Ploy. Ploy is also 180 centimeter. We have Fern as well. So how could you write the length of Pat's jump? Pat, how could you write it in meter and centimeters? So this is 220 centimeter. That would be 2 meters, 20 centimeters. How much farther than 1 meter is Bella's jump? Bella, how much further than 1 meter? That is 90 centimeter further. 90 centimeter further. Now let's go on to the workout. Look at the distance of jumps, then answer the questions. Part A. How could you write the length of Nat's jump? Nat's jump is 160 centimeters, and that will be 1 meter, 60 centimeters. B. How much longer than 1 meter is Ohm's jump? Ohm's jump is 180. How much longer? Longer than 1 meter. So 1 meter equals 100. 180 centimeter, 100 centimeter here, equals 180 centimeter minus 100 centimeter. So we have 80 centimeter. So the correct answer is 80 centimeter. Part C. How many jumps? This is jump. J-U-M-P. J-U-M-P-S. Jumps. How many jumps are longer than 170? How many jumps are longer than 170? Let's take a look at the result. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 jumps. 5 jumps. 1, 80 centimeter. That's number one. Number two, we have 1 meter, 80 centimeter. Number three, we have 1 meter, 90 centimeter. Number four, we have 180 centimeters. And number five, we have 220 centimeters. So there are 5 jumps. Now part D, how much longer than 2 meters is Pat's jump? Pat is 220. So how much longer? So we'll do it the same as the one here, but this time around is 2 meters. So 2 meters equals 200 centimeters. So we have 220 minus 200, which is 20 centimeters. So the answer is 20 centimeters. Now let's go on to number 2. Read each problem, then answer the question. Use the correct unit of measure in your answer. Prel has a ribbon that was 180 centimeter long. How could you write the length in meters and centimeters? So we have 280 280 centimeters is the same as 2 meters 80 centimeters. Part B. Mario has 2 lengths of rope. The first rope is 7 meters long. The second rope is 2 meters long. What is the total length of the 2 ropes? The total. So that means we are adding. We're adding, so we're going to write 7 meters plus 2 meters, which is equal to 9 meters. Part C. Kate measures the length of her classroom. It is 4 meters and 60 centimeters long. How much longer than 3 meters is the room? So for part B, we have 7 meters plus 7 meters plus 2 meters, which is equal to 7 plus 9, which is 16. So we have 16 meters. Part C. Kate measures the length of her classroom. It is 4 meters and 60 centimeters long. How much longer than 3 meters is the room. So we have 4 meters, 60 centimeters minus 3 meters, which is equal to 1 meter, 60 centimeter. Part D. Fern has a piece of string that is 8 meters and 70 centimeters. How much shorter than 9 meters is the string? Shorter, that is subtraction. So we have 8 meters, 70 centimeters. Then we subtract this from 9 centimeter. So let's do it another way. We have 9 meters, 0 centimeter minus 8 meters, 70 centimeter. So we borrow 1 from here. This remain 8, and this will be 100. 100 minus 70, we have 30. 8 minus 8. So that will be 0. So we have 30 centimeters. Now let's go to the fast finishers. Kwan had a ribbon that was 20 centimeters longer than 2 meters. How much longer than the ribbon was the ribbon? Then 180. So we have 2 meters, 20 centimeters, which is equal to 220. So 220 minus 180, which is equal to 40 centimeters. And part D, we can also use another method, convert to centimeter, so which would be 900 centimeters minus 870. Subtraction, we borrow 1 from here, remain 8, put it here, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. So we get the same answer. So now let's go on to the practice. I beg your pardon. Practice 2.12. Number 1, read each problem, then answer the question. Use the correct unit of measure in your answer. So the rat has 2 ribbons. The first ribbon is 8 centimeters long. The second is 3 centimeters longer than the first. What is the total length of the 2 ribbons? So the first one is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters plus, because the total, we're looking for the total, so it's addition. 3 centimeters longer, that is 8 centimeters plus 3 centimeters, which is equal to 8 centimeters plus, we did the one in the bracket, 8 plus 3 is 11 centimeters, which is equal to 8 plus 11 is 19 centimeters. So we have 19 centimeters. Part B, Gan measures his room. It is 3 meters and 50 centimeters long. How much longer than 1 meter is the room? So we convert this to centimeters. So we have 3 meters, 50 centimeters. 2 centimeters will be 350 centimeters. So we subtract this from 1 meter. So 350 minus 100. Which is 250 centimeters. So it's the same as 2 meters, 50 centimeters. Part C. 2 students each measured their heights. The first student is 1 meter, 30 centimeter, and the second is 125 centimeter. What is the difference in their heights? Difference is subtraction. We subtract. So we're going to convert this into centimeter, which is 130 centimeters. 1 meter, 30 centimeter equals 130 centimeters. So let's find the difference. 130 minus 125, which is 5 centimeters. So the answer is 5 centimeters. Now let's go on to number 2. There are 2 lengths of rope. The first rope is 2 meters 30 centimeter long. The second rope is 200 centimeter long. Circle the correct statement. B, the first rope is 30 meters longer than the second rope. So 230 centimeters minus 200 will be 30, but not meter, is 30 centimeters. So this is incorrect. Part B, the second rope is 30 centimeters shorter than the first rope. That is correct, because 230 minus 200 will be 30. The first rope is 230 centimeter long. 230, that's correct. The second rope is 2 meters long. 200 centimeters is the same as 2 meters. So that is correct. Compare your answer with the correction and do the necessary correction. See you next time.